Moment of truth, people. So, as you guys know, it's been a year and March, April, May. A year and 2 months, I would say. I started growing my beard on March 7, 2018, sorry. And I said I was gonna give it 1 year to see how it goes. I'm already over the 1 year mark. So now, Wife for Life,
yes,
you're gonna be filming me as I do the honors of balding this baby, bringing it back. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take everything off. I'm gonna do razor type.
okay.
You know, I'm gonna just, so even if I'm gonna grow my beard again, I'll go back to my signature look.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it start from fresh. So all this gonna come off, everything. So I'm gonna put some foam in my head and blah, 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 blah. So people, for the last time, check out my beard. Yeah. It did do good, but I'm going for a new look now. All right, without any further ado, just like on YouTube, figure your brain some new food. Because we channel that if you watch, if you subscribe, we're gonna like that.
Who are you? Who's my husband? Hello, people.
Welcome to another vloggy vlog.
Welcome.
You know, as you can tell by the title of this video, weird without beard. It feels weird without beard. Let me take my hat off real quick so you guys can see.
He's totally bald.
Yeah, you know, I've decided to trade in our old husband for a new one.
Yeah, I'm kind of liking the new one.
Yeah, there you go. That was the intention. Anyway, we're wearing these caps, but we'll get into these caps right after the main event. So, we're gonna let you guys see how I transform from
The bearded
to the younger version. And then
Is that right? From the bearded person? No.
to the younger version.
Just say that again.
Yeah.
From the bearded person.
To the younger version.
Oh!
There we go. We're poets. Okay, so we're gonna get into the shaving process.
Right.
So without any further ado, get straight into it. All right. So share and moment of truth. Maybe I should take my shirt off. Huh? So there we go. Moment of truth for the last time.
Bye bye, beard.
Bye-bye.
See you in another lifetime.
What if I leave it like that? That could be a new style. Half a beard.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know.
One.
I'm not 20 years off you. Ah! Look at that. Hold on. Let me get this shot of the sink. Yay! It's gone, people. You look younger.
It's a year.
1 year of growth. Ooh, look at the smooth baby face.
Not quite yet. A moment. Myself a nice phone.
I'm trying taking it. This could be a new thing that we're doing.
Yeah. I'm shaving my head because my head is cool to use a razor. My face is not good to use razor. So at no point, well, you know that. I'm just saying it to you guys.
Watch those eyebrows though.
At no point have I ever had what they call a clean shave. No, because a clean shave is really with a razor.
Yeah.
You know, but I use a shear It cuts you low, but it still leaves the tiny
Tiny
spots.
stones.
You can testify to that.
Yeah.
Rubbing up against your face.
Like, no, stop.
You know, so yeah. Let's give it a rinse.
What about your beard?
This here.
Yeah, what do you want to do with that?
Here I can use razor.
Okay.
And here I can use razor, but not on my cheeks.
Not there.
No.
Okay.
If I use razor on my face, you'll be dealing with a bumpy face husband in a couple of days.
Mm-hmm.
That's my Negro hair, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You know what they say in the Bible? His hair was like wool, sheep wool. Yeah, they were talking about me. As handsome as I am, this does not just happen overnight, does it, babe? Nah, man, this takes work, you know? So I'm gonna let y'all see some of the work that it takes. Here, these places I can use razor, you know?
Put the razor there.
Right?
That's it. Just checking out your spots.
Yeah. This is just half the job. Who's that dude?
I'm not sure I can get used to that, dude.
Once all this comes back and my goatee and everything comes in, you'll be good to go.
About what? About 5 years, I think.
Possible.
We'll go to 10.
Possible. All these little things that require pluckings, what I'm gonna do is let my face dry for a second, because if I use it now, it's kind of not effective. Well, somewhat effective. Always go against the grain. Yeah. Before I present the masterpiece.
And then moisturizing.
Oh no. We're going deeper than that, babe.
Wow.
You know, we're going.
Face mask.
Yeah, now you're talking. Again, little OCD issue. My thing has to be clean. Alright. So now, this is actually a sample pack that we got. So,
You can use my charcoal mask. I'll get ya.
I know.
I'm not so stingy. Only when it comes to my Ferrero Rocher white chocolate.
That is true. Even though you did share, you know.
I did.
I got.
Without hesitation.
Yeah. What? With a lot of hesitation. That smell like coffee. But not the Jamaican original coffee. No.
That said Nicaraguan.
Nicaraguan. No, I wasn't talking about Jamaican coffee that you drink. I was talking about coffee that sings. Which song we're talking about?
Oh,
Tours.
The
Rise on Bus. So, this is
Look at that handsome face.
right there. I'm gonna let this sit for about 10-15 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it off, and then I'm gonna present the new
10 years younger.
ENT Sebas. Wife for Life's got a new husband. It's about 15 minutes. Now I'm just gonna wash this coffee mask off my face.
How does the mask feel? Is it tight on your face or
No, to be honest, it doesn't feel like a mask.
doesn't sting?
It doesn't sting and it doesn't get thickened or no. It feels more like a
scrub.
Yeah, it feels like a scrub. Or it feels too soft for me, you know? So maybe it's doing some skin penetration while it's there, but compared to other masks,
Yeah.
no, I don't think I would actually buy it.
Okay.
You know, I like peel masks.
Yes, me too. I like mud masks and peel masks, yeah.
So
It actually feels like it's doing something.
yeah, this feels like lotion with grains in it. Yeah, I'm not sure if it works, but we're coming down to the final touch now.
Moisturize.
Well, I've got a moisturizer. Again, I don't use it. I prefer my Vaseline, just pure petroleum. It works for me. And sometimes if you guys see like my eyes are red, that's an allergy that I have. So I have to be careful with what I put in, I was about to say put in my hair. Put on my head or on my face. If it's got too much perfume in it, it's bad for me. Petroleum.
Petroleum jelly.
I just use, if I'm doing my head and my face, I would say that's enough. But if I'm doing just my face, I would need just half of that.
Okay.
You know? So, my hand, rub it with my head.
All over.
Yeah, but vigorously.
Yeah.
Into the skin.
Kind of like give yourself a massage at the same time.
You know.
Open up the pores and
yeah.
Yeah.
Good for your lips, good for the nose, the nostrils, the eyebrows. And when it's pure petroleum jelly, it doesn't irritate your eyes or anything. And ta-da, you got a new husband. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Look at the transformation.
Just like that.
Knocked off 10 years.
You like him?
I like him. I love him.
Tell your husband to step out of the for another
He's
2-3
gone.
weeks. Yeah.
Yeah.
He'll come back
Got
in
a
about
new
2
man.
weeks. Yeah. All right, let's take this vlog to the beginning.
And we're back.
So that's pretty much how I transform on this. Please comment, let us know what you guys like. Do you like the beard or do you like the no beard? Let me know. Yeah, the baby face. You know, I'm not a clean shaved person. I don't go without hair on my face.
He always has a goatee or a little tuft there.
Right, so
you know.
this look won't last for sure.
No.
So it's gonna go back to my signature goatee.
Yeah.
Or if you guys think I look more suave and more distinguished with the beard can always come back.
Yeah.
You know, so it's not, we're not hating the beard.
No.
You know, we're just changing up. Anyway, these hats.
Yes.
For most of you who follow my solo Instagram, you guys would know that I've written a book stroke autobiography titled Survive. And this actually was my merch.
Yeah.
You know? This is my merch that I promoted from 2014 until 2017.
But we still have a few that's left on.
We still have in stock.
You know? Yeah,
stock. We still have maybe 100.
And also we've got pens.
You know, so if you guys are interested in having a Survive cap, let us know. We'll see if we can arrange something.
We've got sizes small, medium.
No mediums. We just get small and large.
large.
Because they're actually fitted. They're actually just, you know, they're not adjustable. But if you guys are interested, I'm not really promoting them anymore.
No.
But considering that we still have some, we may sell them while we may just give them away for gifts based up on which subscriber it is.
Right, okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Let's make the channel fun.
We do have our favorite subscribers.
Yes, we do have our favorite subscribers.
But we do.
You know, we like subscribers that participate in the channel.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? And then we feel like we're family. We feel like we're doing it together. So you subscribers know yourself, big up yourself. You know? The reason why we decided to sport the hats today is Jay and I did a few pictures in the hat yesterday, and the wife of life felt a bit left out, so I decided let's throw those pictures that we done in there with some of the old photos that we did for Survive promotion.
I did do a photo shoot before.
Yes, and it was Mother's Day not so long ago.
Yes, and we had a nice Sunday out in Zurich. We had we did like
a little photo shoot.
A little photo shoot. So
if you guys follow us on Instagram at Ian and Tina _
world. I almost forgot.
At Ian and Tina _ world, then you will see a sneak peek of our photo shoot.
Yes.
But considering that you guys are our subscribers and we do have a YouTube channel, we decided why not throw some
footage in
and let you guys see. So without any further ado, people,
Yeah.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Yeah, and that's pretty much all we wrote today.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog today.
Right.
We enjoyed making it. I enjoyed seeing this girl many a times at night.
Yeah, you know, the beard. You know, Wife for Life does make her sacrifice putting up with the beard and the stuff. So kudos to the wife.
Yeah.
You know, but it's just one of those things when you're married, you know.
Exactly.
Let us know what you guys have to put up with your partner.
I'm sure your bugbear, well, your bugbear for me is my hair.
Yes.
There's always strands of hair on the floor.
She has to she brushes her hair every night before she goes to bed. And as you can tell,
pick them all
you know, as you guys can tell by now, you guys must be detecting that I do suffer from a little OCD. You know, I just like everything in order, and I have like a magnifying eye to see these hair strands.
Yeah, you see
and,
one strand.
and when I see them, it's just, gotta go. Anyway, people, love you. Thanks for watching the video.
Yeah, keep tuned, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, like, comment, share.
All the good stuff.
All the good things.
Until next time. Ciao for now.